days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. And don't know why you'd run, where you're running to or from. All I know is I want you here with me. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I loved you too much, our love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps coming down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. I showed your photograph to some old gray-bearded men sitting outside a country store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memories weren't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. I finally hitched a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold Kentucky back road? As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps coming down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, 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 in the cold Kentucky rain.
All right, our next contestant will be
Thank
C.D.
you.
Murphy. That was Robin.